Ignitra pills. Exposed. Ingredients, benefits, and side effects. I'd tried countless energy and performance boosters before, but nothing really worked for long. Some gave me jitters, others left me crashing by midday. Then I came across Ignitra, and something about its all-natural formula caught my attention. I looked deeper into the ingredients, herbal extracts, vitamins, and natural energy boosters designed to support stamina, focus, and overall performance. Still skeptical, I gave it 30 days. The first week felt different, more steady energy, no spikes. By week 2, my focus improved, and I noticed a big difference in my workouts and motivation. By week 3, I had more endurance, better sleep, and a confidence I hadn't felt in years. And the best part? No side effects. Just clean, natural energy and strength that lasted all day. If you've been feeling low on energy or motivation, Ignitra might be the boost you've been looking for. Click the link below to discover the full truth about Ignitra's ingredients and benefits. You'll be amazed at what your body can do when it finally has the right support.